This is Vinay Shri representing Viswin Consulting. We established Viswin aiming at spanning footprints across the nations. Viswin offers wide range of services that are training services, BPO services, project solutions, advertising services, and also consulting services. We help you to simplify your task and achieve your goals and achieve success, and also in achieving the target goals of a customer who are coming to the Viswin. We offer customizable outsourcing and consulting services. At Viswin, we see business success and needs of citizens and communities. And one more thing is very much important in Viswin is that our team is very loyal and consists of experts and professional challenge, conventional thinking, and consistently driving into the success and customized solutions. As a result, it creates a greater impact to the success of Viswin Consulting. We face a problem like we face local government issues which are being solved by our experts on daily basis. Private sectors and local government support is in several aspects in our locality. In order to surpass these problems, we intend ourselves in exploring our services to across the nations, and that is in different geographical circumstances. It is done to those to unlock the potential which is present in their organization with respect to the geographical circumstances. Viswin assets are components, solution designs, a framework, methodology, and the business process which are being related to code and non-code base. All are from intellectual property that varies from client to client, from the declaration and master service. And let us tell me about the services which we offer. Their training services. We provide training and coaching, customizable support, intervention designed for specific issues. Placements deal with unique methodology and adherence to quality, which has been very much trustworthy to some in many sectors, and that is considered to be the more asset for placement consultancy. BPO services fulfill requirements in back office and front office outsourcing, and this sector has been processing strategically an advantage in many sectors. And a close interaction with the customers and the services is nothing but the consulting services which we offer. And later on, we can get into the advertising services, where it is more or less like an ad agency where we offer various kinds of advertising, and it differs from the various ranges. We are expecting to enlarge the market by this program and to make the footprints across all the nations. And Viswin is bounded by the relationships for the short-term goals to the long-term relationships. With the opportunity of establishing a consulting at Chile through the startup program, Viswin will explore education system and also provide an employment to the youngsters in Chile. And I would like to make myself reveal that I'm very much opportunity to get into the Chile program through this startup, and our mission and vision is to deliver what we promise. And finally, I would like to say. Thank you so much for giving me opportunity. And Viswin is something like a wish win and achieve success, and wish Viswin and win.